Today, I'll walk you through how to automatically add a schedule from Google Sheets into Calendar, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to streamline your scheduling process so you can save time and stay organized. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. This is where our journey begins. Simply type in Google and hit enter. This is the gateway to accessing all the tools we need. Next, click on the Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots in the upper right corner of your screen. This will reveal a menu of Google applications. Think of it as your toolbox for productivity. From there, select Sheets to open Google Sheets. This is where we will create our schedule. If you're new to Google Sheets, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functions remain the same. Now, create a new sheet by clicking on the blank spreadsheet option. This is your canvas for organizing your schedule, much like a blank page waiting for your ideas. Once your new sheet is open, navigate to the Extensions tab at the top of the page. Here, you will find various tools to enhance your spreadsheet experience. Click on Get Add-ons to explore additional functionalities. In the Add-ons marketplace, search for Calendar Events Creator and install it. This tool is essential for linking your Google Sheets schedule to your calendar, acting like a bridge between the two applications. To start using the add-on, click on Extensions again and hover over Calendar Events Creator. Then select Start. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This is your control panel for managing calendar events. Next, click on Advance in the sidebar and then select Templates. This step will speed up the process of setting up your spreadsheet, allowing you to use pre-designed formats instead of starting from scratch. Once you've accessed the templates, click on Run a Sample. Just give it a moment to work its magic. This will automatically create a calendar sheet for you, saving you valuable time. To ensure that the events you add reflect in your calendar, open the Calendar Events Creator again and click Create Events. This function will ignore any previously created events and only add the new ones that are not yet synced to your calendar. You'll see a progress indicator as the events are being created. Once completed, click on View Result to see your newly added events in your calendar. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Google Sheets schedule to your calendar, a seamless way to keep track of your events. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.